Hey everyone! In this lesson, I'm excited to show you how to work with some cool canvas tools that'll make your projects pop. We'll dive into Unity and build everything from the ground up. First, let's kick things off with a basic toggle switch. We'll set up an image inside an image and finish by lining up its edges with anchors. Want to add text to the toggle? Go for it, as you call. Then we'll assign our images to the toggle and test it out. Next, let's create a slider. I've already drawn two images for it ahead of time, and we'll do another image inside an image setup. We'll add a background mask, adjust the image positions, and plug the graphics into the slider. Let's check it. Looking great. Now let's add one more tool to the mix. For this one, I'll show you a vertical style as an example. We'll set a value, tasks and some extra components to keep this running smoothly, and give it a test. See? Super simple. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you like this, please smash that subscribe button and stick around for more. Catch you in the next one.